Alright, so as you can see, we got Monte Carlo up on the rotisserie. We went ahead and undercoated the bottom side of the body. Frame came back from powder coat. So now we are in assembly mode. We will now assemble the rear end, suspension. Actually, I'll have Josh insert some pictures. We went ahead and deleted, because we narrowed the frame on this, because this is running 24s. These aren't the wheels that are normally going to stay on it. And then we did a nice little brace setup in the rear. Got rid of the original coils and running a coil over setup. But did an X brace here, tied into the front portion of the frame here. A nice support back here, because basically when you narrow these frames, you got to somehow compensate for the rigidity on the chassis. So this will help phenomenal. The car already had the rear end in it, so that's not something we're doing. We are just cleaning it up. Coilovers up front, control arms, and then obviously you saw when Nando was doing the whole engine bay on this one. We went ahead and mocked the frame up. So basically we will have the 24 by, I think it's 9.5 up front, and we will have full lock at ride height. No rubbing on the frame, no rubbing on the body, on the wheel wells, because we did a tub on that. So this one will hopefully be a rolling chassis with the body on it again in like a couple weeks. We can finish out the body work, put the front clip on, have that ready in paint. That car is sporting an LSA, just for you, so you know. As you see up front, it's running an LSA setup with a CVF serpentine system, full polish system. Not sure what headers these are. We did the heat wrap on the headers. We had to notch a few of them to clear the frame. Here on this side, and same thing on the other side. Hydro boost setup for the brakes. Interior was already done, stereo was already done. So once this is painted, I'm not gonna say it's quick because that shit never happens. But we'll be able to get this assembled and ready and running. It's fairly quicker than the rest of the build, all right? But wait, there's more. I don't know if I specified that we did wheel tubs on this. So in the back it's 24 by 12s. This is not the ride height of the vehicle. Right now it's still on the lift, but as of right now, our ride height will probably be right about there. You can see the tubs Nando did. We went ahead into this nice little delete for the spare tire area. Metal work came out phenomenal. The car color is like a metallic blue. You see it's got a lot of flake in it. I don't know if that helps or not, but it is now January 12th. I would say by March we should be okay with hoping to deliver this one.
You thought wrong, dude.
Last update we had on the Monte Carlo, I think we were dropping the body back onto the frame, which we got it. Exhaust is done, brake lines are done, suspension's all back on. Now we're doing all the plumbing for the supercharger, AC, intake. As you can see, compact brake booster, Willwood master cylinder, custom intake shroud. And we got a matching box on the other side, which will house some of the heat exchanger parts, probably a power steering reservoir as well. This one's moving along pretty good as well too. We had to machine the wheels down just a bit, 300 thousandths, to get it to where we wanted, so we can actually now drop the rear suspension and have this thing tuck in. Let's keep moving.
Why do you have those like electric like bikes and shit? They're like almost motorcycles and shit. So this is the black version of it.
Damn.
So almost you can't afford a fucking $10,000 bike and shit. So they got a $300 scrap metal one.
And it's better. It's gas. You ain't got to worry about charging. You know what I mean? We'll go fuck with It's for the kids, motherfucker, not for you.
My hips are fucking locked up.
Same size. Exactly. That's right.
I'd tear one of these motherfuckers up, I swear.
You like that, huh?
Hell yeah, dude.
Hey man, when I was in San Francisco for the whole week, I saw your cousins out there, RuPaul and them. There's a bunch of them out there, buddy. I thought I was out there in your front of your house with your little family.
Who are you talking to right now?
Oh god. Who the fuck are you talking to? Oh, you can't talk like that. Don't you know?
I was talking about you, motherfucker. Here's your little family, you know what I mean, in front of your house.
Where?
When I was in San Francisco. I thought I was on a RuPaul show. I said, damn, this reminds me of your house.
You know, there's more gay black people.
Bullshit!
Than there are
Stop
fucking
it!
Gay
Stop
Mexicans.
it! You out your fucking mind? I was in
Unless
the
you go to
heart
Jalisco.
out there in San Francisco, right? There's a bunch of Asians and white boys out there, right?
Yeah, they come out at night. There's
Here we
little
go.
lady boys.
Oh,
come
you
out.
know when they come out, because you know that shit, don't
No,
you?
it's because
He know.
that's what
He know.
It's when you can't see them.
He knows.
Literally.
Lift it up a little?
Nah, it's a fit boy.
Right on. He left me.
Oh, he left us?
Yeah, he left me.
Mexico or was he black?
No, he was in Mexico.
Oh,
Yeah, I like a Hispanic motherfucker.
You do.
You know what I mean? Because you guys scream loud. That's why.
That's true.
Yeah.
You people just talk loud.
Hey, Conto can be on OTV.
Hey, this is some nigga shit. You got a Mexican doing it.
¿Qué pasa, güey? ¿Qué pasa, vato? You said shit.
Stop it.
What's up, y'all? March 8th, 2024. 16 years ago, SS was started, all right? So it's a very emotional day, you know? But all we do is grind. That's why we're here. We are in 2024. So let's keep it moving. Project Monte Carlo SS is now officially running.
Pretty quiet though.
Matt had made all the custom covers for the motor. Power steering is bled, brakes are bled, cooling system's bled, heat exchangers bled. Only thing we needed now is to actually charge the AC system, but the car actually is driving. Nando is over here kind of finessing the body lines on the quarter panels and the front fenders. And other than that, it is going to be going into paint next week. This has been a long time build, and obviously I know we couldn't really post about it a lot because of the owner of the vehicle wanted it to kind of be like a secret or skunk works type thing. So that's what it's been. A lot of body work and a lot of fabrication has gone into this. Smooth engine bay, custom wheel tubs up front, custom wheel tubs in the rear. And as you can see, come on, peep, 24 by 11 and a half. And this is a 295/30 size tire we have in the back. Fits a little tight, but it works. Car already came in with the stereo, but with the tubs, we had to actually redo the trunk panels to house the amps. So there's a nice little amp rack that Nando went ahead and fabbed over here, and then dual battery trays for the Optimas. Next week, you actually see this thing with some paint, but here, Poppy and Limber already sprayed the bumpers and all the other trim. So you'll insert a video here so you can see it. That nice custom blue metallic finish, all right? All right, now with a little brief update on Project LSA Monte Carlo SS. As you can see, last time, I don't even remember where we were on this. The car's painted, assembled on the exterior side, working on the interior, and the motor's completely assembled with the engine cover that we made. Everybody's been asking where we got this. We made this in-house to delete the factory LSA plastic engine cover. So this is a full sheet metal engine cover that we made. So anybody that's looking for one, you can hit us up. We will be producing this as well. Some of the other accents under the hood is this is the AC dryer. There's a cover over here, and then the heat exchanger pump for the blowers under here as well. This is a mirror image side to the intake. And this was already on the vehicle. I don't remember who this was, but we had it all polished out. So as you can see, everything's all painted, all the polish, so everything looks how it should, that SS touch.
Wanna hear a fucking banger right now? Watch this shit.
Ooh, I can't go
Kids Bop, baby.
any further than this. I spend my time just thinking about you.
What the fuck are you listening to?
He's hard. He was jamming to that
When I hit it, PSI, and then at the top of the RPM, it's down to 4 PSI. Like it's just tapering down, like losing boost the higher the RPM goes. And they don't tend to do that. They tend to hit whatever and just hold it, for the most of the way.
Okay.
But it's like tapering off, like as if it's belt slip. And maybe like the belt's too long, so the tensioner's not pulled into the tightest spot it needs to be.
Motherfuckers sound good though.
It doesn't sound like it's redlining.
You know what? I'm gonna fucking stop.
Hey, that tensioner, look, it's done. When you hit it and you watch right here. When I hit it, it should go like this and get tighter. Watch how it's done, like it's at the end of its travel, and it don't go no farther. Watch it.
But that's what's whining, the blower?
The blower's whining, but that tensioner is supposed to keep drawing it up tighter, and it's like it's hitting the stopper.
Alright.
Tensioner just kind of it just stops right there.
Cap.
So if we go like 1 inch to 2 inches shorter on the belt, what that's going to do is bring it down more to where it still has travel.
That's just even tight too.
Yeah, it don't even look that tight. It's totally slipping. Hell, it might make more than 7 PSI if you get 1 inch to 2 inch shorter belt on there, where this thing can still be in the tension. The fact that it's losing the boost, you know, it feels good, but it don't feel great. And if it keeps all the boost, I know it's 60, 70 horsepower down on power right now because we're losing the boost.